What's up guys, how's it going? This is Kshitij,
And I'm Tanya.
and in today's vlog, this is actually a guide. This is not a vlog, this is a guide to new pedestrians in Canada. If you do like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel Kshitij Tanya
Tanya
Vlogs,
Vlogs.
and don't forget to press the bell icon.
We decided to make this vlog because when you're coming new to Canada, there are several small laws that you often don't take account into. And we wanted to let everyone know what the tiny rules here are even while you're walking. So we have decided to take a short walk to one of the plazas that is near our home, which is 2 kilometers away roughly. And on our short walk we'll be having a lot of signs and a lot of pedestrian what do you say, symbols
Yeah.
or a guide as to how you have to walk on the roads of Canada when you're enjoying beautiful sun out here.
So let's go.
So we have started our walk now. So if you see this sign right here, this one, it says 30, that's the maximum speed. So it's mainly because we have a playground area right here. So children, they are playing here, and like at any time, every time it's the same limit until 9 o'clock.
And right beside this playground is a school as well. So this is a school zone. So whenever a school zone starts and you're driving, you need to follow a speed limit of maximum 30 km per hour. If you'll go more than that, you might have a ticket.
You will surely have a ticket.
And it always says here, lose a minute, not a life.
So if you see in the background, that's the playground there, and then there is a school. That's the school's building.
I hope you can see the signboard behind me. There is a kid and a parent, maybe. That's what I can read from the sign. And like if I have to go on the other side of the road, then I will actually cross through this zebra crossing here. I'll show you. And once I'm crossing, people are so nice here that they will stop and they'll let you pass. So I'll show you. I'm gonna walk. There's no car here right now, but still I'm gonna cross through this zebra crossing on the other side. It is always good that you follow these signs, because sometimes people are in a habit to cross where the signs are not posted, and it is kind of weird. But that's what the motive of the video is, to make sure you're aware with all these walking pedestrian signs.
See the sign here, the yellow board that's above, that's the sign for playground. So 30 kilometer per hour, that's the speed limit here. And then you see 7:30 to 9 o'clock. So if you are coming in the morning 7:30 till 9, you have to follow this limit. And then photo enforced, that means there will be security cameras that would capture your speed, and speed radars as well. So it's highly important when you're driving to follow the signs, especially near playgrounds and residential areas and school areas. So if you see, the cars are stopping, but here's a button that is used for pedestrian crossing. So the cars have stopped as well. So that's the difference. You can see easily how important pedestrians are here. They give preference to pedestrians, and even if there was no light button, the cars would have stopped for us.
Yeah, so this is what the difference is. You saw it, right? They stop and make sure, as I was telling you before, that life is very important, and they make sure that they follow the rules. Even though I don't know if there is a camera or not, there should be, but even if there is nothing, there's people still follow the rules here. It's so nice.
So we'll be walking forward and we'll take you through all the other signs that are here. So if you see right here, this is the sign for the bus stop, and no stopping means no stopping for any cars, because it will come in the way of buses. And that's a small bus stop right here.
And I've got one more sign. You see this guy? No. This sign.
Tushar Bhutani.
Yes. We don't know him, but we're just showing you. Indians are so
Popular.
freaking popular here in Canada.
Especially in real estate.
You hear, this is what This is so different. This is a bus stand first of all, and this is so different from the Indian one. I still remember when I used to travel back in the day. There used to be a shade, and it was so nicely built. It was a big one. But right now, this is the worst part about these stands are that during the winter time, snow can actually come and touch your feet. So it's damn chilly. I've experienced that.
And here, right at the back, you see small children running. So this is their break time where they are taken out for physical exercise. And then all of them are wearing masks, if you see.
Most of them, yeah.
And see how safety is taken into consideration. All the cars are stopping for the children to cross the road, and they are down the speed limit as well, because again, we don't want any injury, they don't want any injury. And so right now it's fall. So if you see at the trees, you can see beautiful colors in the leaves. It's not all green, there are hints of yellow, orange. So it's the start of fall, which is also one of my favorite season, because I like fall because of its color. Yellow, orange is my favorite, and I think Kshitij also likes those colors.
I kind of like it, yeah.
So yeah.
And you're even wearing the same colors, I guess.
Yeah. So I'm wearing that color as well because I don't know, I just like fall. So you can see around, if you want to put the camera there, like all the trees are there, it's yellow, different colors.
So this sign again, we need to go on the other side. So look at the lights here, it's gonna blink. I hope it's visible. And luckily no car is coming on this side, and one car is coming on this side. So it will stop unless we pass. As we So if you look right here, the speed limit changes. So it was 30 earlier, and now the school zone ends, and so the limit also changes to 50. Earlier it was 30, now after this point it's going to be 50.
So we are at the major intersection here. So if you see the red hand right there, that means you cannot cross the road right now. But if you see on that side, there's a timer running which shows the time. So there are 10 seconds. If you want to cross that side of the road, you can do it. But we will be going this side. So let me tell you more about intersections. So when I first came to Canada, I panicked a little, because when you're crossing major roads in India, you have to do it your own way. You have to take that risk. So I was just confused whether what we have to do here. But here everything is organized. So when you're crossing a major intersection, you'll again see a signboard like this, and there will be a button. So you just have to press it.
Make sure you sanitize your hand.
Yeah, COVID time, sanitize is a must. So we'll be crossing this side of the road. So we'll just wait for that red hand signal to turn white. If you see this side has a white man signal, and that's why people on that side would be crossing the road.
On this side.
But since we are here, we have to go across. So we are waiting for that signal to turn white so that we can also cross.
It's white. Let's go.
So we'll cover this sometime later. Also, when you're crossing, we have to make sure that we are walking on the right side. Good. So if we go on this footpath here, we have to make sure we are walking the right side, which is the right side. And if you're coming from that side, the other side would be your right side. Coming from this side,
You
walking this way. Right now the roads are empty, but like when you go to parks and when you go to other crowded places, downtown, etc., just make sure you're walking the right way so that we are following the rules and we are not causing problem for other pedestrians.
So I'm going to show you the stop sign, this big red sign, as you can see behind me. So I have seen 5 times. We'll go a little bit closer, I think. So there are 5 kinds of stop signs. So one is one way. This is the one way. Then it will say 2-way, then 3-way, 4-way, and 5-way. If a car is passing through this stop sign, it will stop and the car driver will make sure that there's no car or anybody passing through this intersection. We'll go a little bit closer because a lot of cars are coming behind us. So see, as you can see, they'll stop. They are stopping. So even this car will stop. And once it has the way cleared out, then it will turn left or right. It's turning right. I wish somebody can shower these leaves on me and I can be the Bollywood queen. So there are a lot of stop signs. One is here. See, this car is passing through one more stop sign. So he's going to stop. See, he's stopping. And then he has to turn left. So see, a right example is he will wait for that car to turn in and then he will go left. So this is how the stop sign works.
There's another car that's coming. Hopefully it will stop.
No, see, this is a bad
So-
driver. He should get a ticket. So we feel these were the major signs which we wanted to cover and share with you, because a lot of Indians, when they walk in, or foreigners that come in, they don't know about these signs. Now you know. You cannot say that you don't know. Now you know.
So we have come to the final destination of our walk. We are going to Superstore
Right here,
to
right.
buy a few things. So we'll be going inside
And get our drinks so that we get the energy. We have walked a lot. So anyways, if you liked the vlog, make sure you like, share and subscribe to Kshitij Tanya Vlogs. And please don't forget to press the bell icon. Please.
And if you have any questions, again, you can type in
And let
the
us know.
comment section below and let us know.
Alright guys, we'll see you in another vlog very soon. Till then, take care.
Stay away from COVID, wear mask and sanitize, which we will be doing as well.
Alright, take care. Bye bye.